Zoho Sign and SignEasy, two standout e-signature platforms. One question: which one really delivers? On the left, Zoho Sign, secure integrated e-signatures for business workflows. On the right, SignEasy, effortless, intuitive e-signing for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, before we go signing our lives away, let's map this out. I'll be comparing Zoho Sign and SignEasy on stuff that actually matters: pricing, ease of use, features and customization, integrations, customer support, mobile experience, and business fit. Like honestly, if an app nails all these, that's the one you need. You ready? Let's do this. Let's kick things off with pricing, because let's be honest, nobody wants their e-signature tool burning a hole in their wallet. So Zoho Sign, it's got tiered plans aimed at businesses with some pretty advanced needs, and you even get API-only pricing if you love custom stuff. But yeah, it can get expensive fast, especially if you're just a small biz or you just want something basic. Now, SignEasy comes in hot with straightforward and affordable plans perfect for individuals or small businesses. I mean, it's often called super cost-effective, but some cooler features might nudge you up to a pricier tier. Still, in this round, SignEasy definitely pulls ahead. Next up, ease of use. If you've ever stared blankly at an onboarding screen, you know how valuable a clean interface is. Zoho Sign gives you a guided workflow, and honestly, the interface is pretty nice. But just a heads up, it's got this slightly steeper learning curve if you're totally new. Flip to SignEasy though, and the vibe is totally different. It's insanely intuitive, like click, sign, done. There's next to zero learning curve, so if you want quick results without reading the manual, this is your jam. I mean, no contest here, SignEasy nails it. Alright, features and customization. Zoho Sign brings out the big guns: advanced authentication, bulk sending, templates, REST APIs, and super custom workflows. Plus, if you're hooked into the Zoho ecosystem, it all just works. For basic users though, some of these features might be a bit extra, but hey, better to have too much than not enough. Now, SignEasy covers all the classic e-sign basics really well, and its mobile experience, top-notch. But it does fall short when you need those premium workflow automations or complex integrations. So for folks who want to tweak every little thing or have legit biz needs, Zoho Sign takes this one. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know: Zoho Sign can actually automate signing workflows across the entire Zoho suite. So if you're running your whole operation with Zoho, that's a big deal. On the integrations front, it's honestly a tale of ecosystems. Zoho Sign is like the glue that binds the whole Zoho suite. If you live in Zoho world, you're set. Plus, it works with Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and a bunch of third-party stuff. Meanwhile, SignEasy's got solid basics: Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Box, and Outlook. But here, the thing: no direct tie-in to Zoho apps. If you want that deep connection and everything talking to each other, Zoho Sign's the winner. Let's talk customer support. Zoho Sign actually offers a lot: help docs, webinars, migration help, you name it. But users say the response times can be a bit meh. SignEasy, on the other hand, gets kudos for fast and helpful replies. It's just rated way higher when it comes to keeping customers happy. If you hate waiting for answers, SignEasy totally comes out on top. Okay, mobile experience. Zoho Sign's mobile apps are genuinely full-featured. You can do pretty much anything on the go, but to be fair, they're not always described as super simple. Now, SignEasy, it was like born for mobile. It's smooth, it's fast, you can switch signers or emails super easily. If you're always closing deals or sending docs from your phone, SignEasy makes life way easier. Honestly, it's the clear pick here. Fast forward to business fit. This is where Zoho Sign flexes. If your business needs those complex workflows, compliance, or you're deep into the Zoho integrations, this one's tailor-made for you. Downside: it can feel heavy if you're just looking for something simple. But if you're a small biz or just need general e-signing, SignEasy keeps it light, super quick onboarding and all, but it's not gonna cover those more complex needs. For serious business features, yep, Zoho Sign wins. Alright, quick pulse check. If you laid it all out on a radar chart, you'd see SignEasy shining bright for ease of use, affordability, support, and mobile experience. While Zoho Sign totally dominates when it comes to features, integrations, and business fit, especially if you're a power user or a business with complicated needs. So my 2 cents? Zoho Sign is amazing if you're running a business and genuinely want advanced features, compliance, and everything just syncing with Zoho. SignEasy nails it for solo users, small businesses, or anyone who wants a fast, friendly way to get documents signed without any fuss. Still scratching your head? Honestly, give both a try in your own workflow. There's no substitute for hands-on experience. And if you want more tech comparisons and tips, hang out, there's plenty more coming soon.